Take me to the top. Yeah, I gotta live my life like I've only got one try. Said I had a dream last night, looking in the people's eyes.
Ayla is from Island. Kasi dun ko sinagot si yung daddy niya sa Island.
They go 2, 3. And I'm sipping all night, cold, but early in the morning. And I'm living my life with you here.
Down? O, sit down. Ready, go!
Happy birthday, Ayla!
Go! Tapos ganito ang habaan mo, ha? Ready, go! Tapos magbibilang daw lahat ng guests na para malaman natin kung sino magiging winner.
I know everything takes
Kaya
time.
habang lumalaki siya,
The days go by.
she's one of the easiest babies to take care of kasi nakakayanan namin na kaming dalawa lang. So, nagsasurvive kami. Despite na nag-work kami pareho.
Make some noise for mommy and daddy. We're gonna raise stars of this party. Everybody put your hands together for Ayla.
But early in the morning, and I'm living my life with you here by my side. You can't take my happiness away from me. But early in the morning.
Nagiging demure, tahimik, and medyo, well-behaved naman siya.
Sa tingin ko yung kabaitan sa pagiging tahimik from both of us yun. So that time kasi nag-work din si partner sa office niya, so ako yung nakakasama niya sa bahay. So napaka tahimik lang, chill lang niya na baby, yung siya yung type na baby na hindi madalas umiyak, ganun. Tapos kung umiyak man, saglit lang or tatahimik agad, and then napakahina lang. So yun, napakadali niyang alaga.
You here by my side. You can't take my happiness away from me. I found the moon in all the little things like ice cold, but early in the morning. You can't take my happiness away from me. I found the moon in all the little things like ice.
Birthday message for Ayla is, of course, for her to be very healthy lang. And then, I hope na makuha niya yung gusto niya in the future. We will be very supportive naman, whoever she wants to be in the future.
Gusto ko lang maging siya, paglaki niya is, hanggang habang lumalaki siya is healthy siya, saka respeto sa magulang. Happy birthday, Ayla!
Love you!
We love you.